सबको मेरा बहुत बड़ा नमस्कार क्लास 10. I hope all of you doing good and you're safe at home. And do stay safe at home. Don't go out anywhere. So we'll be starting a new chapter, and the name of the chapter is probability. That is chapter number 22. Just one mistake in this chapter that the exercise they have written 5.5 exercise in many of your books, but this is exercise 22. Okay, so don't get confused. Let's get started with probability. I don't know what you guys understand by the word probability. We use probability in so many of our sentences. है ना? Probably it's gonna rain today or something like that. But I'm gonna go through a number of sentences that are also given in your books. You guys can have a glance in your book or also see what I have been teaching you. It's same in the book as well. But just go through your book through the introduction part as well. There are some sentences that I would like to read for you. The very first one is, it may rain today. So the word that I am using over here that you need to focus is may. You are uncertain whether it's going to rain today or not. Even yesterday, last week, if you guys saw, it was good sunshine, and in the evening, suddenly it started raining. You can't say whether it's going to rain today or not. You're uncertain. Many of you will say it's going to rain. No, it's not going to rain. It's very sunny outside. It's very hot. You never know, right? So you're uncertain about this thing. Probably Rajesh will talk his class. So I'm using this word probably. Right? So may probably I doubt she will pass the test. So what I doubt, I'm uncertain whether she will or she will pass or she will fail. It is unlikely that India will win the World Cup. So it's kind of, I'm not saying India will win Cup or win World Cup or India won't win World Cup, but it is unlikely. You can't say anything. Maybe India will not. So I'm using a word that I'm not sure about, 100% sure about. Chances are high that the prices of diesel will go up. So chances, these are the words. So if you see these words, they are not 100% sure. When we wrote down the sentence, we are not 100% sure that this is going to happen. For example, your school might start from July. Might. You never know. And I'm not 100% sure in that whether your offline classes will start from July or not. Okay, nobody is sure about that. Not even you will be sure about that. Not even government itself is sure about whether the school is going to start from July or not. Regular school is going to start from July or not. So we are going to study this chapter, and the basic thing about this chapter is probability is the measure of uncertainty. How to measure uncertainty? So measuring uncertainty is called what? Probability. Okay. So we'll figure out the answer in numbers. For example, let's say I have two kinds of chalk in my hand, right? Okay, and one is white, the other one is green. Now, which colored chalk would I have in this hand right now? Over here. What are the chances? So if you say, sir, green, I'm not asking green or white. I'm asking green ki kitne chances hai. Okay. So there are two chalks, and I have one chalk in my hand. So what is the probability of having a green chalk in this hand? That is, there is only one. I'm favoring green one, and the total number of outcome is either white or green. So how to measure it? That's what we are going to learn in this chapter, and I'm going to tell that how to measure it. And there's only one formula that you will have to use on this. Okay. By the way, it's green. Okay. Good for you. Many of you might have thought that or made a guess, but it's green. But you just made a guess, right? That it's green. Some of you. But the good thing about this chapter is that we are going to measure in मैथमेटिकली एंड फाइंड अ नंबर कि हम मेजर कैसे कर सकते हैं. It might rain today. We can find a probability and answer for this in numbers. So that is called probability. That all comes under this topic, that is probability. Okay. So let's get started and do some meaning of some hard words. Okay, let's have a look at some of the topics or some of the subtopics of this chapter. The very first one is experiment. Experiment का मतलब होता है action that result in some outcomes. Okay, so if I toss a coin, it will result in some outcome. There will be outcome of tossing a coin. That's why if you are playing a match, you toss a coin because there is going to be outcome either head or tail, and then outcome is going to lead who's going to bat first, who's going to ball first. So there is going any experiment that results in some outcome, that is called experiment. Okay. रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट और रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट में क्या है कि इट इज अ एक्सपेरिमेंट व्हिच हैज मोर देन वन आउटकम एंड इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू टेल द आउटकम इन एडवांस. फॉर एग्जांपल एक्सपेरिमेंट में क्या है, लेट्स से इफ देयर इज अ मशीन. ओके, आपने देखा होगा गेहूं कटती है जब, उसके बाद हम थ्रेशर में डालते हैं पूरे गेहूं ताकि उसका कुछ आउटकम आए. ठीक है, तो अगर उसका हम गेहूं पूरा पूरा का पूरा वो डालते हैं जो भी हमने गेहूं काटी है एंड वी पुट, तो उसमें से गेहूं निकल के आते हैं, गेहूं के दाने निकल के आते हैं और एक तरफ से भूसा निकल के आता है. तो वी आर श्योर अबाउट दैट, बट दैट्स अ एक्सपेरिमेंट आई कैन से. बट रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट क्या होता है जिसका हमें आंसर पता नहीं है, एक से ज्यादा आउटकम है पर हमें आंसर पता नहीं है क्या होगा. इधर वो भी हो सकता है, ये भी हो सकता है. फॉर एग्जांपल रोलिंग अ डाइस. इफ आई रोल अ डाइस, before rolling a dice, there are six answers that can come out or pop up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know. But before I know there is going to be outcome more than one. I mean, एक से ज़्यादा answers हैं उसमें, पर answer तो एक ही आएगा. And I can't tell which is my answer going to be. Okay, that is called random experiment. Sample space, the collection of all possible outcome of an experiment. Sample space क्या होता है? बेसिकली जैसे आपने हेड और टेल करना है, तो आप हेड और टेल करने से पहले आपको दिमाग में होता है कि दो चीज आ सकती है, हेड या टेल. राइट, तो इसको बोलते हैं सैंपल स्पेस. क्या क्या आ सकता है वो लिखना. ठीक है, जैसे हमारे आपकी क्लास में 5 रेड बॉक्स के बच्चे हैं और मैंने पांचों के नाम लिख दिए, तो उसको बोलते हैं पांचों के पहले नाम लिखना और पर्ची डालना और एक बैग में डाल देना पांचों के नाम लिख के. तो मैं सैंपल स्पेस में सब पांचों के नाम लिखूंगा, तो जो पांचों के नाम लिखे उन सबको क्या बोलेंगे, सैंपल स्पेस. पर जो उसमें से एक आंसर आएगा उसको हम बोलते हैं प्रोबेबिलिटी. ओके, और रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट. ओके, फेवरेबल आउटकम्स. फॉर एग्जांपल हेड और टेल. ठीक है, आई एम द कैप्टन ऑफ वन टीम एंड लेट्स से who Abdan is the captain of other team and we came for a toss and the toss was done and the coin was flipped and then it fell. But I am favoring tail because I might have spoken as soon as the the coin went in the air. I might have said something head. I am favoring it. The head should come. Are you guys getting it? So that is called whatever I favor. That is called favorable outcome. Okay. Now let's go to the formula. What is the formula of probability? How to find probability? I think we have done this in class 8 or 7. I guess so. There is only one formula in this exercise, that is probability of an event equals to number of favorable outcome. Okay, outcome upon total number of outcome. So this is the formula that we will be writing. I'll just give an simple example. For example, I'll take the same example that if I have to roll a dice. Now, and if I am saying कि more than 3 आना चाहिए, तो more than 3 क्या क्या होगा, 5 and 6, sorry 4, 5, 6. तो how many numbers I am favoring कि अगर 3 से ज़्यादा है तो मैं जीता और 3 से कम है तो तू जीता. तो how many numbers am I favoring? I am favoring 3 numbers, 4, 5 and 6. 3 से ज़्यादा, 3 नहीं, 3 से ज़्यादा. So the number
of favorable event is 3 and what is the total number of outcomes जो उसमें डाइस में कितने आउटकम्स हैं वैसे 6 so how the probability of getting an even e की जगह क्या लिखूंगा मैं more than 3 whatever you are favoring you will write in the bracket and that's going to be 1 upon 2 okay so what is the probability of you winning of me winning that is 1 upon 2 half आप ये ध्यान रखना कि जो भी आपकी प्रोबेबिलिटी आएगी वो हमेशा 0 और 1 के बीच में आनी चाहिए फॉर एग्जांपल अब मैंने कहा कि लेट्स से कि अगर 1 से लेके 6 तक के में आया तो मैं जीता अगर मैंने रोल डाइस किया 1 भी आया 2 भी आया तब भी मैं जीता 3 भी आया तब भी मैं जीता तो मैं कितने आउटकम को फेवर कर रहा हूँ 6 के 6 को so what my answer is going to be कैसे this answer is going to be 1 answer is never going to exceed 1 just remember the answer is always going to be between 0 and 1 so this half is also between 0 and 1 just remember that the total number अगर 6 को फेवर कर रहे हो 6 एलिमेंट तो आंसर विल बिकम 1 always remember that okay let's say I am not favoring more than 3 I am favoring more than 7 अगर more than 7 नंबर आता है तो फिर मैं जीता पर है इसमें जब आप रोल डाइस कर रहे हो उसमें 7 से बड़ा कोई नंबर होता है I don't think so so how many numbers am I favoring 0 होते ही नहीं कुछ जो मेरे साथ बैठे बोले पागल हो गया क्या भाई 7 नंबर तो आते ही नहीं है क्या कर रहा है तू तो मैं मेरा क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी होगी 0 तो प्रोबेबिलिटी मेरी 0 और 1 के बीच में ही रहेगी कभी भी 0 से नीचे नहीं जाएगी नेगेटिव नंबर में और 1 से ऊपर नहीं जाएगी ठीक है जस्ट कीप दैट इन माइंड okay let's see question number 4 question number 4 says there are two girls Sonia and Sania and they have given कि सानिया की जो प्रोबेबिलिटी है जीतने की वो 0.69 which is again between 0 and 1 it's not less than 0 or it's not more than 1 so it's between 0 and 1 so सानिया की जो प्रोबेबिलिटी है 0.69 what is the probability of Sonia winning so how to find the probability of Sonia that is 1 minus 0.69 हमेशा टोटल 1 होता है 1 में से अगर दो जने तो एक का अगर 0.69 प्रोबेबिलिटी है तो दूसरे का कितनी प्रोबेबिलिटी होगी आप 1 से माइनस कर दो दैट इज गोइंग टू बी 0.31 so this is the probability of Sonia and Sania is 0.6 okay so that's how you do okay let's see question number 5 question number 5 goes something like this it says a bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls okay a ball is drawn at a random from the bag what is the probability that the ball is will be red so I have to find the probability of red ball and I have to find the probability of the blue ball sorry black ball so either I can find the probability of I mean both I have to find not either so let's see how to do it so ये बैग के अंदर 3 बॉल भी रखी और 5 बॉल भी रखी ऑल टुगेदर सो प्रोबेबिलिटी जैसे फाइंड करते हैं यू गाइस नो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ रेड बॉल is equals to number of favorable event please write down the formula in each and every question that we do but if there are 2 parts or 3 parts just write formula once but you have to write formula okay number of favorable event upon total number of event okay and number of favorable event are 3 because 3 are red balls upon total number is 8 3 plus 5 total number of balls are 8 so what's your answer 3 upon 8 this cannot be cancelled just leave it like this you don't have to bring this in point just you can leave it like that okay so question number 12 says in a single throw of a die the probability of getting an odd number so question number 12 है I'll do it over here for you. So probability first वाला क्या पूछ रहा है वो probability I'm not going to write the formula you guys can just I'm just helping you guys over here probability of getting odd number so what are the odd numbers 1 3 5 right So probability of getting an odd number is equals to how many numbers your favor is 3 and how many total numbers are there? 6. So what is the probability? 1 upon 2. Okay. What is second part says? Second part says this is a die. Okay. Dice. Second part says a number less than 5. So if you think of number less than 5, how many numbers less than 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. Not 5. Only less than 5. So probability of getting less than 5 equals to 4 upon 6. That's going to be 2 upon 3. Okay, so that's how you will be doing questions. First, you guys can write the sample space that I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4. That are the favorable events, and the total events will go down there. Okay, that's how you do questions on probability. I hope you guys got it. Okay, but stay safe at home and enjoy this chapter. Have a great day, everyone.